Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many books on how to draw cartoons, including this brand new one, Learn to Draw Cartoons, world's easiest cartooning book ever. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple character with lots of personality from inside this book. And this is the guy. See, the left side of the page has all the steps, a lot of hints, and the right side, the finished application, so you can see how it's done. So I want to show you how to do this, and I hope you'll follow along, and you can pause anywhere. And we start with basically a simple shape, and it's going to be sort of an oval. We're going to get the construction before we draw everything, and it's sort of the neck right here, a little turtleneck, and we're going to give him a little kind of rectangular shape for the body. And it's curving to the left. See, it's curving just a little bit to the left. Give it a little action. And then the legs are going to curve again. So this curves left, this curves right. Inseam over here. And we'll just bring a little flat foot over this way. And the legs will taper down to almost nothing. It's a kind of funny look. It's a very slender character. And I'll bring this down a little further. And he'll have very little shoulders. And the arms will round off into his pockets. Like this, with very little in the way of shoulders. I'm going to bring that in even further. And erase this as best I can. And I'll do this over again in pen so you get to see the exact application in a moment. Same thing. We adjust as we go. So just basic principles. Flowing left, flowing right. No shoulders, that's part of the proportions of this character. Very thin neck, more proportions. Now, so it's not an even oval, which is nice, cute, but could be a little dull. We're going to build out the back of the hair and have him looking to the left. So we build that out, so now it's asymmetrical. No longer symmetrical like a regular oval. Here's the center line, here's the eye line. Going down to the neck like so. He's going to have a little nose like that. And we're going to give him big eyes on top of this eye line. Very big eyes. And there's a reason for those big eyes. Because we're going to turn them into glasses. He's not going to have eyes inside of the glasses. The glasses will be the eyes. And that's a cute look. Different techniques. You'll learn different techniques for glasses inside this book. And we'll bring the eyebrows together closer to the center line, not on the outside. We bring them closer in. Push the lips in front. It gives them a little more expression with less effort. And we'll bring the ears out like so. Round this off. And we'll give him a big flop of hair coming over. Here's a part right over here. Bring it back and across. And now we will bring this part of the back of the neck, back of the jaw, straight down. Okay, and now I think we're ready to start. So now I'm going to start the eyes. These big eyes like so. And it's a little smaller on this side because of perspective. Because we're facing a 3/4 view. That's the bridge between the lenses, the arm of the glasses. There is the nose. No bridge of the nose necessary at all, because we're just having fun with this character. He's kind of like a little concerned. And now we'll bring this down, nice round front side, which is going to get all the attention. That's where everything's happening on the face. Like that. And we'll bring this up, give even a little more size on top. And we'll flop this as we have it, right over here. Little turtleneck, funny little turtleneck. Like so. and bring it just over the shirt into the pants like that. A little inseam and taper down all the way down. Bring the foot out, angle it out a little bit. Bring this one down under the body for balance. And this foot goes out. And there we have it. There is your funny character, simple character, built on easy principles. And again, from the book, here you go. Here is the guy. Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you get the book. It's at Amazon, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, many places. And also, please subscribe to get new free videos every week. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.